Hi guys! It's my last day in Cebu. Nagyaya kasi yung cousin ko na lumabas. Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Pero, magsigurado ako mag-enjoy tayo. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Cebu Westown Lagoon is a water park in one of the coolest attractions right between two cities of Mandaue and Cebu. This place is precisely located at FF Cruz Moonlight Street, Subang Dako North Reclamation Area, Mandaue City, Metro Cebu. Aside from swimming pool, jacuzzi, MO2 bar and KTV lounge and restaurant cafe, convenient rooms are also being offered to guests who would like to stay or spend quite some time in this place. So magkano nga ba ang entrance fee sa Cebu Westown Lagoon Water Park? A promo rate of 300 pesos for adults and 200 pesos for kids who are 2 feet to 4 feet in height. For infants who are 2 feet in height or below, free of charge. Each ticket entitles you for a free drink that you can claim at the bar. The water park is open from 8 in the morning until 10 in the evening. The design of the place is made of rock-like formation, well-sculpted posts and Aztec ambience with added cozy atmosphere. So what to expect from Cebu Westown Lagoon amenities? It has a swimming pool for kids and adults. Cebu Westown Lagoon also has a jacuzzi where you can experience pressure warm water with tiny bubbles smoothing your body, enable you to relax. It also features 2 giant slides from 30 feet to 20 feet. Awesome slide, isn't it? Well, this is for big boys. Feel the thrill and excitement here at Cebu Westown Lagoon. Cebu Westown Lagoon also features play area for your kids. They can use the mini slides that are designed for kids. You could also rent cottages with a corresponding rate based on the size. But the common picnic area is free to use on a first-come first-served basis. Cebu Westown Lagoon also has a hotel. Cebu Westown Hotel has a elegant finished air conditioning rooms, which will be perfect for business and leisure travelers. It also features restaurant or cafe, open from 6 in the morning until 10 in the evening, beside a swimming pool where the bar is located. And don't forget to claim your free drinks. Remember, you have 1 free drink for each ticket.
Welcome to Cebu. You're gonna love the people here. Welcome to Cebu. So come on.
Cebu Westown Lagoon can be your home away from home.
Let's celebrate. This is how it goes. One dance. Cebu is one heart. Together we will shout, shout. Everybody say sinulog. Ishagit puso. One dance. Cebu is one heart. Together we will shout, shout. Everybody say sinulog. Ishagit puso. It's in your, it's in your, it's in your. Ishagit, it's in your puso. Ishagit puso. It's in your.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Haraya. Congrats, Gerald.